This batch shows excellent color and size. Yes, the texture is smooth, no blemishes. I'm logging it. Health score is high. Good. Check this one for spots. Clear. Let's move to the next tree.
These limes are looking very good this season. Yes, a very good yield. Let's keep sorting. I will separate the smaller ones. Good idea. We can use them for juice.
Welcome to our sustainable lime orchard. We use natural compost to enrich the soil, to conserve water and maintain healthy growth. Companion planting helps control pests naturally, reducing the need for chemicals.
This underground drip system delivers water directly to the lime tree roots, demonstrating advanced technology for arid land farming, promoting healthy growth and sustainable yields.
All right, bring it in steady. Got it, lowering now. Easy with that one. All good, next one. These limes look promising. Yes, let's check the firmness. This one has good weight. True, but some are soft. We need a better price. Agreed. Limes are high in vitamin C, crucial for immunity. Yes, and they aid iron absorption and digestion. Let's measure the citric acid content now. Good, we'll compare to other citruses. Inserting the probe into the lime sample. The pH reading is stabilizing at 2.05. Measurement complete, acidity level confirmed. These innovations in lime farming will conserve our water. Yes, and organic pest control reduces our chemical impact. The soil practice will boost yield sustainably. Exactly, this is the future for our environment.
Solar-powered irrigation transforms arid landscapes into productive lime groves, delivering water efficiently, drip system precise hydration, reducing waste while the panels harness clean energy from the sun.
The new drip system is working. Moisture levels are perfect.
Excellent. The tablet data shows a 15% efficiency gain. We'll optimize further next cycle.
In this lime plantation, trenches are dug between tree rows to capture rainwater. The sloped walls direct runoff into the channel, storing water at the roots. Mulch on top reduces evaporation, keeping moisture for dry times. This promotes growth and sustainability.
Time to thin these out for better growth.
Got it. Cutting the inward branches.
I'll get the lower ones. Looks much better already. Welcome to our lime farm. We've nurtured these trees for generations. Use natural compost, careful pruning to ensure healthy growth. The result is juicy, vibrant limes, perfect for any recipe. It's truly a labor of love. Q3 export volumes are up 15%, a strong recovery. Yes, and revenue follows, but these input costs are a concern. Agreed. Let's model a 10% rise in material costs. I'll run the scenarios. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Today we'll explore the impressive growth in our industry. Global lime production has surged by 12% year over year. The market expansions are driving this with a 20% rise in demand. Team, proceed with the inspection. Stacks are secure, sir. Check the upper levels for stability. This pile is intact. No shifts. Hello, let's discuss the health benefits of lime. Limes are rich in vitamin C, which boosts your immune system. They also aid digest and help with weight management. Adding lime to your diet is a simple, healthy choice.
Let's dig a hole right here.
Okay, and then place the sapling?
Yes, gently spread the roots. Now firm the soil.
Like this?
Perfect. Now, a good soak.
It looks great.
Observe the lime root systems adapting to sandy soil. The primary roots branch out, their root hairs probing the soil, displacing particles to anchor the plant. This resilience ensures the lime plant thrives.
These lime leaf samples are fresh. Let's check their acidity. Adding the indicator now. Watch the color change. The results are consistent with prior data. Thank you for joining me. I believe this agreement will benefit us both. Indeed, the terms are fair. Let us proceed. A successful partnership.
From this desert facility, lime production is expanding, fueling growth. This machinery processes vast limestone deposits into lime for construction and industry. The facility's growth highlights its vital role. Good afternoon. We are excited to announce a 40% increase in our lime production capacity. This expansion is the result of strategic investments in our facilities. It will allow us to meet growing demand and support our customers' needs. All right, stack them tight, no wobbles. Got it, lifting now. Next one coming up. Good, keep them straight.
Careful with that stack, it's fragile.
Copy that, lifting now. Got it, moving to the hold. Check the straps, no shifting. Strap secure, all good.
Fresh lime, sir. Very good quality. They look good. Let me check. Of course, the best in the market. The color is good, but are they firm? Very firm. Here, feel this one. Good. I'll take them.
First, we'll add some fresh lime zest for a bright citrusy flavor. Now let's pipe in our creamy lime-infused filling and finish with a sprinkle of zest on top.
Welcome. Today we're discussing lime detox beverages and their health benefits. These drinks are packed with vitamin C to support your immune system. The recipe is simple, just lime, mint, and water. How often should we drink it? Daily is ideal.
Let's trim these branches for better airflow. Right, this one is too close. Good, keep the spacing even. On it. Almost done here. Perfect, on to the next.
What a wonderful harvest!
Yes, the limes are perfect this year.
They're so green. Here, try one.
Thank you.
How much for the limes? 50 cents a kilo, very fresh. I'll take a half kilo.
Okay, let's align on Lime Exports branding.
The gradient green evokes freshness. Maybe add a lime icon? Yes, and a glow for export market. Let's mock that up.
Agreed, great progress.
All right, coming over now. Dumping in. Dumping now. This one has good firmness, no soft spots. Color is uniform. Moving on.
Scanning the lime shipment now. Scan confirmed, updating the system. Dashboard shows real-time stock update. All good. Process complete, ready for the next shipment. We are here to recognize excellence in sustainable lime farming. This award goes to a farmer whose practices are an inspiration. Please join me in congratulating this year's recipient.
Thank you so much. First, we dig a hole for the roots. How deep should it be? About this deep. Now place the sapling.
And then we cover the roots?
Yes. Pat the soil gently. Concentration holding steady at 45 bricks. Sample looks good, no impurities. Excellent, increase the flow rate. Adjusting now, monitoring temperature.
Finalizing the commercial invoice for the lime shipment.
Does the quantity match the packing list?
Yes, 10,000 kilos. Now for the phytosanitary certificate.
Good. I'll file these for the next courier run. Team, watch the South American routes. Any delays?
Lead.
Miami port shows a 30-minute delay. Reroute to the backup. Update the ETAs.
Rerouting now. New ETA is stable.
Good work. Monitor closely. Limes are packed with vitamin C, providing 32% of your daily needs per 100 grams. They also offer dietary fiber, low carbs, and essential minerals like potassium and magnesium. A great low-calorie way to boost your nutrition.
All right, let's get this belt clean before we clock out. On it, this residue is caked on thick. Hit it with more water, we need it spotless. Almost done, this shift is over.
In this desert greenhouse, we're optimizing conditions for key lime growth. Sensors monitor light, pH, and moisture, guiding adjustments. Drip irrigation and varied soil create resilient, high-yield crops. Data drives our progress.
The data shows we can improve yields by 25%. Through better irrigation and organic inputs? Yes, and mulching to conserve moisture. Exactly. Let's prioritize these changes. Agreed, this will work. As you can see, expanding the orchard will significantly increase our yield. What about the initial costs? The returns will offset the costs within 2 years.
That sounds very promising.
This lime chicken is incredible, so fresh.
The rice too. That zest is perfect.
A perfect harvest meal.
To a great harvest.
Here.
These limes are perfect for the hampers. Yes, and the bottles are premium quality. I'll get more of them from the top shelf.
First, fresh lime juice for that zesty kick. Now, fresh mint and our secret base. Stir gently to blend the perfect refresher.
These limes look beautiful under this sunset. Let's check the inside. Perfectly ripe. Juicy and seedless, this harvest is top quality. Ready for market.